Too late. It's already beer 30 o'clock.
It is. It is.
Look at it.
I was gonna say. I was gonna when I saw a couple of beers, I was gonna bring them over here. You know?
Can't do any more work. Hey guys, Stephen F. Gomez, your real estate expert in Phoenix, Arizona. In this video, we're going to go over three things. One thing, I want to show you one of my investments to show you I practice what I preach in all my videos. Two, I'm going to kind of run through the numbers of why multifamily are good investments. And then three, how I save money in a lot of my investments whenever there's work needed. This here is a fourplex that I own with my dad. We each own a side, we each own a duplex. What we're doing today is we are preparing it for painting. So we have professional painters coming out to freshen it up, protect our investment. Also, the nicer it looks, the more rent we can charge for it. But how I like to work is because I have a lot of this work that I've done in the past, so I have experience doing it. Sometimes I save money by doing a little bit of the work instead of having the painters do it, so I don't have to pay them. So I have to pressure wash it. You'll see some video of me preparing this, pressure washing the property, and really what that is it's just cleaning off the dust and the grime so you're not painting over years and years of built up mud and junk, so you get a really good paint job. And it's really helping me not making it not so expensive to get it done. And it's all about the net profit, so that's kind of where I'm at. So now we'll talk a little bit about the numbers for multifamily properties. So the basic concept is if you get one piece of property or one unit on a piece of land, you can only get obviously one rent from one renter. But if you have 2, 3, 4 pieces of property, you can quadruple the amount of rent you get from the people on the same size or similar sized lot. Now how that works out in numbers is if you get a mortgage for a fourplex, which I'm seeing them quite a few for around $220,000, 4 2-bedroom, 1-bath units, you're going to probably pay somewhere around $1,500 to $1,700 a month. Now those rentals are going anywhere from $750, $850 a month. So just doing some really quick math here, we'll average it $800 a month times 4 units. That's 8, 16, 24, $3,200 a month, and you're paying $1,600 to $1,700 of your mortgage. So very basic math, you're doubling your investment. You're spending $1,600 a month, and you're pulling out, what I say, $3,200 a month? If that makes sense, you're doubling the amount of money you're putting in each month. So that's a really fantastic return. And when you compare that to a house where you're paying, very rough numbers here, but $1,200 to $1,500 a month on the house, and you're basically renting it for a couple $100 more to somebody, you're just making a few $100s a month. That's still a great investment long term and to create wealth in the future, but multifamily, as far as returns right now, is definitely the way to go.